Hello, and welcome back to Parenting 101. I am Natalie Bailey with the Parenting Education Programs. Today, we are going to discuss nurturing routines. Jason is 10 years old. At 10, he should be able to get himself ready in the morning. I don't know why every morning I must remind him to brush his teeth, wash his face, and put on lotion. He should know how to do all of that by now. I just don't get it. Pam, age 30. Pam, did you know that some of the hassles of parenting can be reduced by establishing nurturing routines? Well, what are nurturing routines, you might ask? Nurturing routines are a consistent way of parenting that establishes consistency, predictability, and success in your home. Nurturing routines can and definitely will increase your child's self-worth, their self-concept, and their self-esteem. Nurturing routines can be established for any activity in your home. You can establish a nurturing routine for the morning, homework, dinner, and even bedtime. Thinking of Jason, it sounds like he needs a nurturing morning routine. Jason needs to know exactly what is expected of him in the morning. Yes, Jason is 10 years old. But as we know, school-age children and even our teenagers need to be reminded of our expectations for them. It's very important that we tell them exactly what we would like for them to do. Pam, do you have any chore charts in your home? If not, a chore chart will be a great activity that you can do with Jason. That way, he knows exactly what he should do in the morning. A chore chart is a great visual aid that Jason can check off for all of the activities that he has completed in the morning. So it may sound simple, but Jason may need a constant reminder to wash his face, to brush his teeth, to put on lotion, and to put on certain outfits, have his backpack ready, and so forth. I bet if Jason has a nurturing routine for the morning, your mornings may go a little more smoother. What do you think? Do you think you can give that a go? I hope so. Thank you. I hope our video on nurturing routines was helpful to you. If you would like more information about nurturing routines or other parenting tips, please be sure to visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov and search Parenting Education.